Stepping into miFLAVOUR here in Spokane, you might feel like you walked into a different country. Bright decor, relaxed atmosphere, and especially the counter full of amazing French baked goods, all serve to transport guests to somewhere memorable, where you can leave the world behind and the treats look as good as they taste.
It's so perfect. I mean, everything looks so beautiful.
And you just want to take a sample of everything.
It's that good.
What do people say when they walk in?
Usually, wow. Or I didn't know this place existed.
Yeah.
Wow, the desserts are too pretty to eat.
Ella Piscoon uses her skills with baking, her love of French baked goods, and the fresh ingredients grown in Washington and combines them into something unique to Spokane. When a guest opens that door, they're going to find this place hard to forget.
We wanted to make sure to bring the French style dessert to Spokane, but also have a modern spin on it. So in our cafe, you'll notice we have a lot of white and a lot of clean lines so that our desserts really shine and pop instead of our decor necessarily.
Their presentation is spectacular.
Everything just looks exquisite and it tastes beautifully.
Everything here is good.
I believe French desserts are the best. So
I agree.
we definitely needed something like that in Spokane. Equally as beautiful as it tastes. And I think in a lot of times in dessert, that's not easily attainable to have both delicious flavor and a beautiful product.
Yeah, and the wow factor.
Yes, exactly. And I believe French dessert really does encompass all of that.
Stick around because later in the show, I'm learning how to make a Washington apple pie macaron with head pastry chef Courtney.
Now what we have in our bags today is our salted caramel French buttercream here at miFLAVOUR. Now, it's really good. It tastes super good. It's very rich.